Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to be doing a fall look because fall is coming and I definitely keep seeing a lot of people post. You know, I post a lot about fall and winter because those are my favorite seasons, so obviously I'm excited that summer's coming to an end. A lot of people are Debbie Downers and they like to say things like, oh, it's not fall yet, it's not this time yet, it's not that time yet. Honestly, what do you get out of that? So anywho, I'm going to do my fall makeup look, or I'm going to do one of them because I may want to do more than one, you know? So the first thing I'm going to do is I already have my base makeup done and my eyebrows are done because those were two separate videos that I was filming prior to this one. So that is where we are in life, you know? Your girl's trying to film multiple videos in a day, especially because I'm way behind on my YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to insert a shameless plug here. Go follow my Pinterest account if you don't already. I feel like it's on and popping over there. It's pretty alive. If I'm not here, then I'm over there, and it's just a great place to be, honestly. It's Raya Blackman, in case you didn't know, and it will also be linked down below in the description. So, I'm just blending my concealer all over my lid. And I'm gonna go for the traditional fall look today, and then like in my next video or something, or in future videos whenever I do more fall inspired looks, they won't be so traditional. But this one, we're following tradition. So okay, so first things first, I'm going to take a pretty dense blending brush. I know that this one looks very dirty, but it's actually very stained because I was too lazy when I cleaned it to actually clean it properly and get the stain out of it. But if you look closely to my hand, there is no residue on this brush, so we're golden, we're good to go. I don't have to worry about those shades popping up on my eyelids. So anywho, first things first, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. These are pretty warm tones, and I didn't necessarily want to use Morphe because I kind of wanted to step out of the Morphe palettes for a change. So the first shade I'm going to use is shade number 10, which is this burnt orange, brownish, orange-ish pumpkin shade right here. And I'm going to put that shade all up and through my crease. Next, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go into number, I think that's 13, down here. And this is a very neutral brown here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my crease. And the brush I'm going to be using is my e.l.f. blending brush. And this is the black e.l.f. blending brush because I also have a white one. But the black one is the one that I use. Now, I don't know all of e.l.f.'s blending brushes, so you know, you use the one that you are mostly comfortable with, and it doesn't have to be e.l.f., you know, but we live on a budget over here. And I'm only bringing this into the midpoint of my lid crease portion. I don't want it to go all over the lid or all of the crease. So I'm going to stay in this palette and I'm going to go into shade number 11, which is this red shimmery shade right here. Oh my no. Oh my no. Oh Lord. And I'm going to first start off on using a dry flat brush because this is already pretty creamy, and I'm going to see how that works for me first. That seemingly works fine. And I'm only applying this as pretty much a half cut crease without actually cutting the crease with concealer. And now I'm going in with my fluffiest blending brush, which is the Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just going in with that first burnt orange shade, and I'm just gonna blend the very top of that. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner and giving myself a winged eyeline. Because we love a good wing over here, don't we? Whoops. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to take a smudge brush and I'm going to take that first orange shade and I'm going to apply that on the outer half, and then I'm going to take the brown shade on the inner half. Did I say brown shade? I definitely meant red shade. Sorry, red shimmer. Alright, and with the pencil brush, I'm going to do my inner corner highlight, which I'm going to try this shade, and I don't seem to like it, but to even it out, I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to go over it with my highlighter that I put on later. Alright guys, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. This is my finished fall creation. I'm actually very obsessed with this look. So I'm going to have to go back and relay my edges, but whatevs. So for my eyelashes, I'm wearing some 99-cent eyelashes from the Beauty Supply. Just gonna go ahead and put this on so that I can lay and slay for the day. The highlighter that I put on is from my Sephora collection. It's my favorite one. It's the gold shade. And the Juvia's Place highlighter is what's on my inner corners because I needed that to pop. The lipstick I have on is the Sephora lipstick paired with my ColourPop paired with my ColourPop lipstick in the color Beeper. Yeah, and that is all that I did to complete this look. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know what else you would like to see from me in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.